Come on. Can anyone hear me? Oh. Hello, and I need a audio test. Can anyone hear me, and how is audio balance? And I will start working. Hello. Good. I think music is a little too high. I can see on my balancing part. Oh, I'm just going to start setting up the project itself. I will sort out what I already have as an assets provided by... Okay, I don't know, does they want to be named yet? I have to ask them later. Just gonna sort stuff out for now. Okay. Like, if anyone have any questions which I can answer in voice, go ahead, ask. Like, no, Mr. Gibson, I'm probably going to not use terrain plugins. I don't think I need them in this case. You know, what are you using for your game? It depends on type of a project. In my case, I don't need the terrain plugins. I might still... Yeah, tools. Yeah, I get what you're talking about. The terrain thing. Like, in my case, I have those things. So, at best, I might use some kind of grid system. And, like, even that, you already can set up the Unity to have a grid system to snap stuff into the position on the grid. Okay. Let's drop some... How is music? Is music not too loud? Okay, I need to ask for a fix. Important is your research. Okay. Okay, thank you very much. Okay. We'll work with this for now, but I asked for the fix later on because this is too much. This is 1 by 1 meter cube, and this maid is like is it like 10 meter tall, maybe even more, like 15 meters tall. Anyways, this maid is definitely a Godzilla level size. She has a smaller one. What do we have? Okay. Unity being Unity. Okay. Mm. Why can't I? Here? Okay. Let's make her smaller. So point two, point two, point two. Okay, this looks more. This is Attack on Anime Cara. Yes, yes, it's a cute version of Attack on Titans, where Titans are cute anime mates attacking a normal people. Like no, it will be like an action movie, a horror movie. Is this correct size for the character? Good evening. Just need to make sure that proportions are okay. Yeah, she's around this size. Maybe a little too big. It's okay. 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 Now we want to check animations on the rig. Vice versa. Honest answer is yes. I watched an original anime from like 1999, I believe, or something like this, but it was like 20 years ago. So the answer is no. I barely remember anything at this point. Okay, we have our missions. So let's go into the anime. Like opposite of how I approach tutorials. Like when I make a tutorial, a lot of time it's an run of the like I make like a snowball. Like I'm working exactly on what is very important at the moment to show you the progress. Like if we are making a game, the very first thing I will be doing is like making a control scheme for what I'm doing right now. But when I work myself, I would be doing it quite opposite. Like I will be making more important stuff for later on first. The stuff which like will be better to be done right now. So when I'm making a control scheme, I can implement those things immediately instead of having this weird adding up effect of snowballing into the tutorial. If that makes any sense. Remember to save the pressure, but you know this meme about programmers where like every 5 seconds we press Ctrl S. Don't worry, I know. I lost countless hours of progress because of, you know, messing up. Okay, so who do I need to add animator controller? Animator. Animator controller, yeah. Needs need one. Have I watched an? No, I haven't. I'm not gonna lie. I don't have strength to sit and watch something without doing anything. I don't know, call it ADHD or whatever. I don't self-diagnose myself, but I need to do something. You know, this is why even if I'm watching like a TV show, I play very simple game on the side like Cookie Clicker or something. Never happened to me before. Well, it's rare you can hear me loud because I'm doing tutorials, not let's plays or something like this. Water controller. Made one animator controller. Is that 1 second, please? Okay, I'm back. Hello, yellow cat. Ah, shit. I know what you're trying to do. No. No, not distractible. Well, it will be pretty simple for now, Mr. Gibson. G. Bison. Gibson. Little. Okay. Okay, let's see. If I launch the game, she should be idling. Yes, she is idling. Oh. Oh yeah, she is immediately playing animations because we didn't have... It's okay. The most important part... working. How did you get interested into game? When did you start learning Unity? Okay, the answer is very simple. I always wanted to make games because, you know, I played games since my childhood. Right? I already say, like, okay, I don't want to say this. Let me rephrase it. I used to work in university as an... Okay, I used to work in RCA, Russian Space Agency, as a programmer in office. At some point, I said, like, oh, I'm not interested. Like, I'm not interested in making an office or technical applications. It's not fun for me. Her name is Maid One for now. So later on, I switched to being an university professor. I were a substitute teacher. I were like on replacements. So it was like a half-time job. So I started learning game development. And meanwhile, so the save time allowed me to study game development. Then Corona happened. I got it's not called fired. Like I got resigned because we ran out of money pretty much. I don't know the proper name for it. Let go. Let's say it like this. And now I started at the time I started my channel and now I'm here. All things for you guys actually. Okay, let's set up the parameters. And yes, as I said, for now the name of the girl is Maid One. For now we're just pretty much in the most first thing we're doing. We're just setting stuff up. Actually, no, let's just stay around. Alligator. Oh my god. Yeah, I like that jokes. I like it. Oh my god, 10 viewers. Again, I want to make sure that everyone hears this, that if you have questions, ask them. I will try to answer them. Don't be shy. Okay. Gator. I keep those transitions. Okay. I think I should keep. Or not. I don't know. I think I should. Let's remove them. We can look into this later. Okay, have you thought of making your own game, isn't it? Well, that's what I'm doing right now. That's exactly what I'm doing right now. I'm trying to make a game. I found few guys who making a good models, and we will try to make something out. Actually, a small fun fact, I actually have a released video game on Steam. In the way how you want it to be done, I don't know that it will be anytime soon. You thought of making I'm better for to the game. Well, it depends on what you're trying to do. Oh, good night. Uh, YOLO cat, I'm sorry, I will not be providing Steam link. It's connected to my real life persona too much, so I'm not gonna providing it for personal reasons. Yeah, I'm sorry guys. You have to just take it on my word that yeah, I do have a released game, but for personal reasons I cannot provide the link. Sorry. Oh, okay, let me just thumb up everyone right now. You cannot see me because I don't use the webcam. Again, for personal reasons. Anonymity and all, you know. I'm sorry. But yeah, I'm giving a thumb ups. Thank you everyone, really. Like, I genuinely say, oh my god, 11 viewers. Like, my first stream was like 6 people at best, and for most part it's like 0 people. I release it if okay, now it exists. It, as I said, it was released. It performed decently well for a single person project. but I cannot provide this link to my viewers because it will connect who I am in real life to my channel. And I want to stay anonymous. That's all the reason. Do you have released game on Play Market or App Store? I used to have games on App Store, but sorry, Play Market. Yes, Play Market. Android's one, but they were very bad. It was like one of the first games, and I actually deleted them. This one, genuinely, I deleted them because they were that bad. Just a practice projects, you know. Bonus points to anyone who recognizes the music. Like I doubt anyone will recognize this music. Interact. Wait, let me Google it. Kadim NV. No, it's not a MMORPG. Let me Google it. I would say like this. Triangle strategy is the same genre. Okay. To be fair, I think the answer is no. Maybe I will do it, but most likely the answer is no. Artist, composer. No, it's a different composer. It's not the same composer as Triangle Strategy. Set. Track. War of the Titans? The hell is War of the Titans? I don't know what. I don't know, no Maki? The Titan Wars of Greek mythology? What? What? Game? War of Titan gameplay? That's, I don't know what is it. World Titan Wars? No man, I definitely not the same thing. I have no idea what is it. Oh. Oh yes, it is. Oh my god. Did you use some kind of how it's called, Shazam? Yes, it is for the Titans. Did you use Shazam, or did you actually guess it? Yeah, the name is here, it's easy to Google, it's from Front Mission. A game which suddenly got revived not so long ago, which is just like, what the hell? It was dead for, like, what, 10 something years? No, Left Alive doesn't count. And then suddenly, a remake of the first game and the second game. Yeah, I have second monitor myself. That's how I can at the same time code and talk with you guys. Late update. Okay, now I need to make it. Run. Ah. I bet when the game will start taking at least some kind of shape, it will be more interesting to watch than me inputting set interact equals to B. Okay, mat mate is here. That should be enough. What game are you making? I would describe it. I see, yeah, I get what you did here, Yellow Cat. I would, Code Monkey. Wait. Is it the real guy? But whatever. I'm making an. I would describe it as a time management game for now. Somewhat of a mix of strategy and time management game. But it's like a prototyping yet, so don't place too much hope yet. We're just starting out. Is walls okay? Yes, walls are okay. Okay. Now we create an option. Yeah, the main inspiration I would say is like, how is that cooking game very popular right now with streamers? Erogu, like overcooked. he's he's there. He's yellow. I think Library of Ruin is one of the best games ever made, at least story wise. I would only say one thing. Jesus Christ, it's hard. I will say one thing. No, not Cooking Mama. There is a. It's great. Yeah, Library of Ruin. I highly recommend. Lobotomy Corporation isn't for me. It didn't click that much. I only like, you know, watched the story pretty much. But Library of Ruin, like. Library of Ruin genuinely made me cry multiple times. It's rough. It's pain. Like, still remember, like, people were memeing about the fire girl, and everyone is like, "Oh, the music is fire," And every time when I hear this music, it's just, I'm like, God, oh my God. There is like one line I still remember, and it says Xiao likes cute things, and I'm just like, oh my God, this is terrible. This is so sad. Jesus Christ. Yeah, oh my God, thank you very much. Okay, make character. So now we want to make. Yeah, there is so many good characters. I cannot even say which one is the best one. That's all I can say about the story without going into spoilers. Yeah, thank you very much for 15 viewers. Jesus, it's a lot. Navigation, navmesh agent. Okay, I think I want to make my navigation using navmesh agents. That will save sometimes. Okay. Window, navigation. General. Wait. Okay. Yeah. One of them. And it's also made very small. I would say by this point, I'm like, this is not to slight the developers. Like, the developers are great and they can release amazing product, but by this point, I'm not really surprised when the game is made by one person or a small team, and it's great, you know. Navigation static. Cool. Yes. Bake. Okay. We have a baked kitchen area. Okay. Now I don't even know what game Signalis is. I'm sorry. I haven't played all the games, and I want to, like, while you guys asking me these questions, I want to preface something that I play a lot of weird games, like how can I say it? Like, yeah, the navigation is amazing tool, at least for now. I might have to make my own pathfinding at some point, because there is some limitations to navigation system, but yes, it's amazing stuff. About the Signalis, I haven't played it, I'm sorry, and if it's a very popular game, there is actually probability that I haven't played it at all. Universal, okay, good enough. Move control input. Yeah, let's go like this. Move control input. Content to get implemented. Yeah, if you're doing it by yourself, it's rough. It's like, it needs to click in your mind, like, for first time. When the second you click it, the second you understand it, it goes. I would still recommend learning a star pathfinding at least once to understand how it works, because you cannot take too much shortcut in your life as a video game developer. By the way, Stranger Sailor, I really, like, what is it about, at least? Can you tell me? Maybe I will play it. Maybe. Okay, dark secret. For Steam page. Rebecca Surgeon for Hallow's Dreams. With Signal, is that and like PlayStation 1 looking game? Like with rough edges around the characters. I think I seen it on Twitter. I follow a bunch of indie developers on Twitter. Surprisingly, some of them follow me, which is kind of funny. Pinpoint array. So now I need to do I use just like this, right? Position. I need raycast hit. Hit. And if physics raycast ray and hit. It's not very popular, just like the console and how game is designed. Release film choice. Oh, look, I can check it out after the stream, but again, I have so many games in my to play list. It's like I will be checking it out. How much effort aspects do you put into the prototype until it becomes not a prototype anymore? Typing. Do you like Unity or the old logo? I don't care about logo. I don't care how product looks like. I care how it works. Okay, for now we will say serialized field. Enough mesh agent. Yes, that's how it's done. Agent. Agent set. Right. Wait. Hit that point. Yeah. 1 second, please. Yeah, what you look at is saying exactly what I think is like. My point is, you prototype until it stops being a prototype. And this is like a building process, you know? It's a fundament for a building, it's foundation for a building until you start building a building on it. And based on that foundation, the building will stand or will collapse. So you have to just build and know, like, it comes with experience when you should stop prototyping and start building systems around your prototype. you cannot just know how to do it. This is why a lot of game developers, professional game developers, tell you that you should make small video games at first. You shouldn't make your dream game. You should just make something small, so you can start getting this feeling for your foundation, for your prototyping process. And the second you have this feeling like, okay, this is good enough, we can start building systems around it. This is the moment when it clicks and when you can start making a bigger games. I hope this answers your question. Okay, so destination hit point. Okay, let's test this. I think my character should start running around. So main camera, an agent, and if I launch. Have you played Minecraft before? Oh yes, I played Minecraft before. Oh yeah. Interrupt. Okay, so if I move, she's moving around, that's good. That's perfect. Here's when I have been spending like 1 month and there is more missing to broke. I get burned out because I feel like I don't understand what I have done. Heather, in this case, I recommend you to like walk back, like just step back a little. Look at your project and understand something very, very important. Is that again, this comes with experience, but you need to learn how to make games where everything is like a small moving parts. And I fail this on even in my tutorials. There is many moments when I make big mistakes, like I couple the systems. You need to create decoupled systems. What does this mean? Imagine if you have an dialogue system and you realize that after you added the dialogue system, your entire game is just a mess because it's so rough. But because you created everything so coupled together, it's became like untangible mess, and at some point you realize it's just easier to just delete everything and start over. And so you need to learn how to make systems where if I just take out the entire dialogue system, just get rid of it, nothing will break. Like one of the best practices for this I recommend you to do is like try to make a separate scene and try to just place your character and move around, and that's it. Like just you have a game where, for example, it's a third-person game, right? Like an action game, like hell, Yakuza game if you played some. So you have a character who moves around, he can talk with people, he can fight, he can do all of this stuff. Try to take out your character, place on this scene, and just walk around. Don't add dialogue system. Just keep it out. And if your character, you cannot just simply put your character and start moving around the scene without getting a bajillion of errors. That means that your system is too coupled together. Therefore, because of that, you having a problem that if you need to change something or remove something or add something, it gets too cumbersome to maintain. This is what you need to learn how to do. Delete anything from save them to look back up. No, you should delete things, but you should use version control systems. I've been here for over an hour. What game it is? Terminate. What game it is? Yes, I agree with Yellow Cat. I'll just gotta fall. I'm sorry, man. I'll just gotta fall. I'm sorry if I mispronounce your name. I don't know how to probably correctly pronounce it. I'm sorry. What kind of game? I'm making a time management game. Time management RTS game. That's the best I can say for now. Input. Mouse. Hit. Mouse button. Down 0. So either is yellow. Was like did I answer? Advance I follow. Cat like coding, of course I know him. Of course I know him, yeah. Let's say it like this. I know most of the YouTube Unity personalities. Like I know some guys with like 300 subscribers. Okay, she's moving. Now let's animate her. How can I do this? Should I? Yeah. Should do that. I should decouple this input from the. So it goes. The destination. Agent set destination. Wait. Wait, because I find more important to understand what are you doing instead of generating content like yours. Yeah. And I still think that's often I make this mistake when I'm making my tutorials that I'm under explaining a lot of things I'm doing, and I'm trying to work about it, making it more explained, more understandable for people. Why are you? Because I have void over here. Wait. Animate. Just if event moving. Wait, how do I detect is that's my character is done moving? Pass. Is going for complete partial or invalid. Does this mean status? Let's go good old Unity documentation. Unity pass status. Mesh pass status. The pass terminate. The pass cannot reach the pass. Okay. Okay, it's. It's not what I need. If I develop a single player, what steps should I do to unlock? Oh, I use the same code. And using it for computer development. So, Zolderam, I think you should. Can I say it? You cannot. You probably cannot just simply jump into multiplayer without understanding innately what makes multiplayer works. What I would do is first, if it's just your first game, you make that game as a single player first. Then you make a multiplayer game. Make something very simple like tic-tac-toe or something else, like something very simple. Okay? The reason why you want to do this is to make it so you will see what you need to do to achieve a multiplayer in the game. And then, based on this knowledge, you can modify your single player game, but it's probably going to involve a lot of rewriting. Opinion using links for computer development. Go for it. The less Microsoft is in the, in the world right now, the better. Well, that sound. Yeah. Distance. Walkable mask. I'm sure there is a way to say, oh, am I at the endpoint? Acceleration, area, repass, avoidance priority, play pass, current destination, enables equal, clear cost. Really? We don't have like a just simple I'm done kind of thing. Is active and enabled. How about we use boolean called it alt destination or something and set it for the current set destination. Set it with you need to save the set it with the distance. Yeah, look, I can do that dirty way. Yeah, I agree. You can do it this way. It's just, I'm surprised there is no just a simple I'm done kind of deal. You played the Uncharted games. Those are my favorite games. Yes, I played Uncharted. I played Uncharted 1, 2, 3, 4, and Lost Odyssey or something. I don't remember how it's called. The one where you play as girls. I don't remember their names. It's been years. Fine. How about we just do it simple for now? If animate that run set run. Should I just go set run? Yeah, I just go set run. And now agent wait status equals mesh pass status pass complete. Yeah, there is a pass completion status. I remember that there was something like this. I hope it will work. Hope it's not something broken. Oh, it should be opposite, I believe, right? Move character, agent pass status negative, not equals complete, right? Yes, it should be negative. Yes. Okay, have you player? I think the yeah, Chloe Nadine, yes. Uncharted 4. Wait, I think Nadine is from 4 and Chloe is pretty much a staple of the game. Like, I remember Chloe from like Uncharted 2, that's for sure. I don't remember Uncharted 1 that well. And Uncharted 3, I remember very well too. Oops. I think I need to do. We can cache it later. Right now, I just want to make sure that it works. Serialize field. I like that we are doing the most mundane and boring stuff and not the background. There is a heroic music blasting. What did I mess up? Of course. Is she running? Let's see. She's not running, right? Not. Yes, she's T-posing. Not getting run. Update nav mesh set agent pass status nav mesh pass complete not equals. If it's not equal, then it's true. Well, it's not complete. Okay, that's correct. Then why we're not getting what we want? It's look. What does you this pass status? Let's see. Pass complete. Oh, why is it always complete? Collapse. Rescue, yeah, good old debug log. Why is it always complete? It's clearly not complete. Okay. Status. Go to definition. Status of the pass. Good. Does this mean it's just... Whatever. Let's... Corners, clear corners. Destination? Okay. Whatever. Let's say vectors 3, distance, agent destination, and transform position. Transform there. Void. Start. T equals transform. T. Yeah. And again, thank you very much. It's 12 concurrent viewers. This is amazing. I never expected that much people to show up. Destination position. Okay, and now we can say like more. What am I doing all of this? Agent dot velocity more than 0.1 f. Another vector. How it's called? Magnitude. Why am I inventing bicycles? It seems to be this way. Teaching transformers to perform. Yes, it saves like whooping barely anything, but on the... I cannot see the she. Oh yeah, she's moving her hands. I can see that. Yeah. My god, this animation is not very good. We need to redo it, but whatever. It's going to be fine. Yeah, it's need to be changed, but okay, it's okay. It's okay. It's just a prototype. It's testing. The most important part, it's working. Okay. that's done. We need to do something very important right now. Select character. Select control. Control or input? Control. Select manager? Manager? I'm so confused which is better to use, like manager, control, like input. It's understandable. Like manager, I always bad with the naming convention. I'm so terrible at it. Character select. Let's just call it character select for now. Never do that. Never say for now, because for now will become an eternal thing. It will stay in your project forever. Recording the externals. Yeah, you look at, I would say it is an important optimization, but it's exactly that. It's an optimization, which, like, it's good to do, but it's like, it's so small, I wouldn't be stressing about it too much, at least at the beginning, you know. Move character, selected character. Now it's just a move character. Select. Now we will say void update. We will say just copy this. Yes, let's copy this. Recast it out. Yeah. 1 million time. Not likely in production though. Yeah, it's when you have hundreds of those small fixes, it start to matter. And in case of transform, it's a good thing to do because it's like it's very easy and fast to do. It's like it's not gonna take you a lot of time and it's not making code too ugly. But some improvement in optimization is just, it's too ugly, it's not worth to do, especially when you're like producing the game, you're mid development. That's important to make sure that you're not over optimizing stuff. Hit transform hit component move character. Okay. Now we will say this. Okay. Character this should be removed. Transform. Oh, did I say it hit точка transform точка? My bad. I'm sorry. Move input. Character. Don't think Cast. Oh. Like this. Don't even need this. Control input. Say if selected character not equals null. Struct. Select character. Input. Yeah. That's magical transformation of the code. I bet without hearing the thought process. Yeah. Can I just go here? No, I cannot. Is it just not null? Recast hit. Sir, like, have you hit something? Thing. Transform, rigid body, point, triangle index. Oh my god, there's triangle index. Collider. So it's transform? Not it just no. Whatever, let's try this. Move. That. What's called? Move input. Move input. Selected character. Hit. The definition. Actually exit gate out of here. If hit dot transform equals null, return. Okay. Try this. Wait. This is why you should do this. Need camera. Yeah, I don't think that's idea going to work. Why is it not working? Oh, because I'm dummy. First I need to click on her, then doesn't have do I need to set the collider on her? Let's give her a capsule collider. Mesh agent, thank you. Oh god. Dull. Capsule. This one. It's two. Like one? No. 0.2. Oh my. Capsule collider. One. Use what? Okay. 0.5. 82. Okay. Let's see how it will work now. Yes, yes, it will work amazing, especially with the invisible character. Okay, we haven't. No, that's something. Move. Oh, yeah, I know why it's happening because I have. Wait. Wait. Let's just stay. Now let's serialize it for now, and then we will. Move in camera. Everything is alright. Let's try it now. Actually, wait. I need to make. If input get mouse button down 0. Extracted. For God's sake, extracted. Whatever you need, Visual Studio. Input LMB. If you don't want to do it yourself, I will do it myself. Okay. LMB. Hit. Yeah, everyone is observing the high octane action of me fixing my very rudimental bugs. Okay, so this is an active list. Oh. Like this, yes, exactly, like this. She's moving. And now I do this. They're multiplying. I should be able to do. Okay, wait. If input get mouse button down 1, input R and B. Hit. Wait method. Selected character equals no. Oh yeah. Now we have multiple characters. Yeah. We will need to make it more clear later on who we selected, but this is already a progress. Okay. Let me answer some stuff. That's it. Let's go back to this. Okay, we have a bunch of characters we can select. Now I want you. Okay, let's. Can we? I'm a material. Texture. Can I just do something like? Not stay like this, and can I just no? Okay. Shader. I mean, material. We need. Yeah, let's remove smoothness. Definitely. Character. Do we just go unlit? I don't know if you just set the sector to know when you set the destination. Imagine if you want to set up multiple points of you know, where they want, or like say, oh, move here, and then you're like change your mind and say, oh, let's move to a different position. Like, remember how RTS works. It's not set in stone, you know. I will be playing with it, I will be changing it. It's not like that's it, we done kind of deal, you know. Are you talking about like what I'm doing at the moment specifically? Are they looking better? Yeah, I think they're looking better. Like, material. Zulram, can you make? Can you tell? Are you talking about what I'm doing right now? My eyes. Here and okay. Polar. Yes, yes. Let's blind everyone. Make a recast hit and change the sector. Yeah. I know the left. That's going to be a feature later on. We're just trying to progress forward. You know, you look at not spending entire night, entire stream just making a control scheme. You know. What else way I can torture people here? Oh yeah, that the color of the floor. Yeah. Okay, before everyone unsubscribe from me, I should stop. Yeah, that's good for testing, I think. Oh yeah, that's a good track. That's fine. We're getting too excited. No. It's okay. We're having a discussion. I know what you're talking about. It's good that you're reminding me about stuff to do later. Because I'm terrible at keeping plans. Okay. You guys, sorry, girls are clearly visible, right? Yes, you're clearly visible. Now let's put some... Can we just... Yes. I stopped because I wanted to do this. I can do it simpler. Color. I have an unnecessary material over here. Color. Color. Wait. Can't I just... Junichi? Can I just unpack them? Can I unpack you? Put some holes and destroy it. All in due time. Software material description. Application, use embed materials. Sure you can unpack them. I don't remember how. Definitely not animation. Extract texture, extract material. Yes. On demand remap. Asset processor. No. Use embedded material. Wait. Standard material creation. Really? Yeah, that's going to be a hassle, so I guess we will need to... So you cannot unpack them. Drag the whole of the XL to the hierarchy and extract the prefab. Hierarchy. Yes, and extract the prefab. Unpack completely. Yeah, that... Sure. But like, I want to do it like this, you know? I don't want to have like... separate thing. I just want to pick them up and like do like this, you know? That's it. not sitting there unpacking them. I guess drag them back. Do you want me to pretty much do something like this, unpack completely? Like this? Or actually even... like... no. Now it's like... it's full on prefab. Fuck. So I can just do something like this and I have 6 tables. That's what you mean, right? Yeah, that's... fine, I guess, fine. It's fine, because I still have to attach some functionality to each of this table. I guess it's fine. Environment mention. Would do like base models. Now it goes like can immediately say it needs more shading. It's too flat of a color. It will need to be shaded. Because it's like, look, from this angle, like you can't tell what it is, but it's like it's like just a blob of colors. Like, what is it like? Even if it's like, yeah, we will need to work with shading. I guess tables should be bigger than this. Let's say, wait, no, 1.5 to the table, right? And it's really no, it's the thing is it's right now unlit. Here you see it's an unlit texture. Sorry, it's unlit material, because like a lot of times these flat shaded characters, like look at the girl, her hairs are shaded. You see it's like on top it's brighter, on bottom it's more darker to create a feeling of shading, you know. Second problem is we don't have any kind of actual shader yet implemented into the game, so it looks kind of ugly, right? So we will need to look into either a proper shading using an actual texturing technique, or into shading it through a shader. That's way into the future. For now, we're just making stuff. Don't change it to lit. Well, if you do it lit, look. Let me just... which one was it? Universal render pipeline. What if I... practically the same. Universal render pipeline. Lit. See how it looks weird? Like, yeah, it works like better. You can see a corner of the table, like barely, but you can. But now look at it, it's like it doesn't look anime anymore. Like, look at the shading of hair of a girl, or how her braids is, whatever it's called. It's weird. And there is a lot of examples, like even like That's not good. Like, you can play with it, like you can make the shadows more sharp, but it's better to be done through proper shader rather through doing it, you know, with default lead shader of Unity. Is healing. Let's remove. That's for sure. We don't need reflections. We don't need. Yeah. Actually, let's keep it. I mean, you could make a second material and apply it to the objects only. Yeah, I get what you mean. Do it. Yeah, let's do it. So it's not that bad on eye. This duplicate color unlit and color lit. Universal render pipeline lit. Yeah. I guess. Yeah, I guess this will work for now. You look at tonight is helping. He's developing the game. Thank you very much, man. Okay. Tables are. He's on fire. Let's just. Okay. Tables are here. Yes. Completely. Uh-huh. Yes. Okay, let's rename it. Floor tile. Floor tile. Floor tile. Oh, I see what it is. Look at this set of food. Isn't it cute? I like this. It's coffee, right? Yeah, this is coffee. This is so cute. Here's bit. Okay, everything else seems alright. Did he fix the door? Oh no, he did not. I know, no. That's good. It was fixed. If you're even procrastinating, you should not procrastinate, man. You should make your game. The game will not make itself, you know. I'm going to change the material of the prefabs. They already defaulted into the lead one. Look. Yeah, it's good. Yeah. It's good. Lead. Everything is alright. Can I make Mhm. Possible. Okay, let's experiment a little. Is it possible to make repeatable floor tiles? Look, inspector. God damn it! Whatever. You haven't seen anything. Yes, you haven't seen anything. It's your imagination. I have a weird... Okay, there's one thing I need to do. No, it's okay. I want to remove and remember to unlock. It's okay, it's okay. I unlocked it. Can I... Yes, it's okay. No. No. We definitely don't do the mission. Oh, yes, but... Wait, what the... Oh. Dance floor, everyone. Oh. Is it? I don't know what this though. Because it's a solid color. I think I cannot do that. Right? Yeah, I think I cannot. It will be great consist. Terrain withdraw gizmo system. No, it will not be a terrain withdraw gizmo system. Tiles are here to just to build the floor. I'm like really confused right now. Like, what should I do? This tile map is the floor tiles. The 3D tile map is like. I don't have a good experience with 3D tile map. Let's say it like this, okay? In templates, inspire. What can I do actually? What else do we have here? Playables. What the hell? Oh, playables. It's actually easy. Yeah. Guess I need to try it. Because I remember when there was no support for the 2D tile map package. But change setting to XZ. No, what? We're experimenting. He is right. Why am I sitting there and... nobody's going to shoot me for trying, right? Wrong thing. Window... Package manager. Tile. B. Ah. Tile map. Editor. Extra. There's a success script for use with image. This includes tiles and brushes for the tile map feature. Line brush, random brush, and animate game object later. Oh. Need to register. Yeah. Okay, this is here. Did I install it? Custom rules for rule tile, yes. If it has custom rules for rule tile, yes, I need it. Okay, create new, and it's like, wait, there is no like specifically the details, right? Like if we go into game object here, 2D tile map 3D. Does it here? No, it doesn't have like specifically 3D tile maps. Okay, tile map. Because hexagon point. Okay, rectangle. Okay, and then we do like direction of the tile map. There should be tile anchor x. Is there xz? No. X? Oh. Your tile map. Date. Rectangular. Yeah. X. Z. It's not updating. Hello. Perform. Okay. Is a create object. 2x, y. Object, I'm sorry. Did object? I'm sorry, I'm anchor, orientation, offset, sort, detect chunk. Oh, setting default. I'm okay. Let's we need to create tiles. Parent of tile map. Oh my god. Wait. Size x dy. I see. I see. Now we need to increase the cell size to fit the tile, right? Like 2 by 2? 1. Little more, I think it is 2.5. 2.5. Oh, it's 3 by 3, I believe, right? Yeah, I need to talk to the modeler so he will make them more 1.5, like 3 by 3 size or something like this, so it's much more clearer than this. 3 by 3, not too big because of that, so it's like 0.6, yeah. For now it's okay. I will talk with the modeler so he will make it more consistent. Okay. Okay, my brain. Let's clear some stuff over here. We don't need these two things. Reload. Create folder. Script. Create folder. Control. This. Yeah. Character select. Select. Control. Close Visual Studio. Close. Okay. So now we need to create an tile palette, rectangular. Correct? Now we need to set the same XZY, right? Am I correct? XZY, correct. 2.6 to 2.6. I will talk to the modeler to change the sizes. Okay. Have I double click here. Angular. Okay. Palette. Window. Tile palette. Use. Active tile map. Mention. For palette. So now if I hypothetically go into models, they are too naive to believe that this will work. So I have to probably go like this. Go into a mention. Say. Okay. 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 Just out of morbid curiosity. A bullet? Oh, yeah. Something. Hell? Need prefab. Need a prefab brush. Oh yes. Oh, I see it. I'm still not sure why my thing is like this, but we're getting there, I'm sorry. I'm figuring it out, I'm sorry. I'm a little slow. Why is my, okay. Why is it inspector? X If I right? It's correct. What if I choose it like this? My no, my tile palette's still wrong. So it's not this one, it's something to do with this screen. Can I? Just make sure. No, it's not that. You're doing great. Thank you very much. Swizzle? Okay, that's so correct. Cell gap. I don't have any cell gap. I don't think I need cell gap. On default. Okay. Cell palette. Grid gizmos. It's just turning on visibility of the grid. Can I somehow? Try to give live reload. This property. Property? Eh? No. This lack of game object is a little weird, but right now I may. Whoa! Oh! I know what. Are you so weird? Yeah. I see it. I'm not understanding why is my see like why is it like floor correct, it's like horizontal. The problem is this is my problem right now. Okay, 0 90 no, yes, no, see it's not rotating it. Guys, stop doing this. Okay, man, I stayed one again. Let's say I close it so it's mark itself as dirty. Okay, I open it. I turn off. Okay. No. I don't think these are 3D object. Wait, how am I supposed to? But the engine should really. Yeah, this is what I said about the whole thing, that it's like it's wonky working with the tile map, because I remember I seen the tutorial how to use the tile map with 3D objects, and it's like it works, but it's like you're hammering the square peg into the circle hole, you know? Like it works, it just because like look, just wait, that's a wrong game object. I just put a game object, floor tile. It's just select something else. Wait, what? You just reset it yourself. It's not so long ago. Whatever. See? Like, I need to change the swizzle. Use a white sprite. Oh my. Well, the swizzle is correct. X, Z, Y. You open the game object. XZY, right? Stealth visual is correct here. And if we select the thing XZY, it's like, it's correct. If I change it like this, just out of curiosity, place it like this, fine. What if I keep doing this? Like, okay, fine. Yeah. No. See? Try XY. Yeah, I'm on the. I'm on it. Like, okay, let's say I'm open this thing, right? We delete this so it's not, and use a sprite. Why would I use a sprite? I'm trying to do an. Oh. I'm. Try to paint. Okay. You know what? You know what? Let's do it differently. That's all fine. Fine. I will try to figure it out. We're spending too much time on it. I will look into this. I'm like, don't worry. I get it. Yeah. Fine. Look, and basically not show. Yeah, I I will look into it. I will, because that's definitely going to save me a lot of time. But right now, the better approach will be to actually start doing something. Let's, like, again, this coming back to the idea that, yeah, I can spend the entire night making a control system for the game, but like, you know, it's like not very interesting and not very motivationally productive for myself to spend the entire night figuring out this. I will look into it. Don't worry. Please, don't worry. I'm just going to right now work on interaction system for my characters. Okay? What I want to do is place two tables. Then look, it's like, as I said, it's not about that. How can I say it? It's just, if I will be spending entire nights on like doing the same thing, I will burn out very quickly. This is why a lot of my tutorials are like scattered. Like, you have an episode of doing one thing, then you have an episode of doing something else, etc., etc., like jumping between topics, because I cannot concentrate on one topic. I get annoyed very quickly. This project. You don't have. Look, I will figure it out. I'm interested myself, because as I said, it will save a lot of time. So, what I want to do is that I want to have one table which is not producing but delivering the goods, and here will be a receiver of the goods. So this table, let's say we call it receiver and producer. And when I do the command, I want my maid to run, pick up the cake from here and run and place it on this table. First, let's remove those three, we don't need them. Both of those objects needs to be clickable. We can say how can we call it? Click interact? Click interact. Yes. Click interact is good term for this, right? Click interact. No, I think click interact is not a good term. I'm already changing my mind. Oh. It's better to have click interact object, because it's click interactable object. You look at, by the way, with this thing about 3D tiles you make, give me a good idea of what tutorial I can make. I can make tutorial on how to use tiles for, you know, tile map for 3D maps. That can be a very interesting topic to discuss. Click interact object. So, and both of them needs to have a box collider. That's about. Can make actually both colliders. A little smaller. Okay. Good. Good. It's a little. Here. Good. So now we need to add character select, yes. Wait. Controlling character in character select. Yes, I am controlling character in character select. Yeah, this is correct. Yeah, this is going to be modified right now. So move character select interact input, character command input, I guess. Character command input. Because we are commanding selected character to do something with objects. Character command input. Okay. Character select. What should I do? Character select, yes, it's definitely this should go away. Because this is not mostly not selecting character, it's like commanding character what to do. I guess we probably should decouple even this and say, oh, this is mouse input. This is not an character select input, it's actual mouse input. And then character select will grab the mouse input from a separate, you know, decoupled script. I guess. Okay, you know what? Let's do different. Let's try to say we have a main character. Okay, we can just minimize this. We don't need this anymore for now. Let's say she's here. Not even rotate her. She will be fine. And move character. She has character script. Let's just slap the character script immediately. Okay. Then delete those characters. And character AI agent. Because she is going to become commanded by AI. Right? AI agent. Yes, I think so. Yeah. She's an AI. Wait. She might not be an AI agent because you are commanding her and she still has some amount of autonomy. Did you say it's something like control the AI agent? Because enemies will be AI agents. You cannot control them. Just that's it. Right? Thrilling action, isn't it, guys? Control AI agent. You send commands to control the AI agent, and control the AI agent executes us. Okay, so controlled AI agent. Then, yes. Enome command AI. And let's say move to. And like interact. Yes. Yeah. Current command. think I should. Oh, for now, no. It's not a game object. Extract this. Vector 3 move 2. For now. Let's go. So goes down. Okay, we can discuss it later on Discord. Okay, right now I just want to advance forward. So now wasn't as hard as I do. As I said, we will discuss it later on Discord. So wait, public void set command AI command and either in target equals no vector 3 position plus vector 3 there. So I cannot just say vector 3 0. Fine, whatever. Why are you complaining? Consistent accessible AI command. Public. Public. Void set command. AI command. Vector 3. Okay, I think this is good enough. So we want to make our character to go interact with interactable object and then do something else. Okay. This producer interact object is game object which we will interact with. Object. We will say interact object. Not click interact object again. We will say interact object. Use object. It's whatever. Let's put box collide. Okay. Okay. This is done. So interact object is here. So we will say interact object, and we will say void start. We are making a test part, so test part. And we will say So I want to make an set command, AI command interact with, and target will be, instead of game object, we will say interact object. Realize field, interact object, test target. Current command equals command, and interact this will be target. Then we will say that, okay, this is going to be fine because we will say Unity. Thank you very much. Done. But this producer is map is our interact object, and now we need to interpret this command, newly created command, to our controlled AI agent. So we will say yeah, as I said, later on we will discuss it on the Discord. You see what I'm doing? I'm making an AI agent. Execute root command. Right, okay. So here we will say we will have to probably separate them into multiple. Right? Okay. So first we need to approach the object and interact with it. Should I separate them into like move to and then interact? For now, let's say just simply if target. Oh yeah, I know what I can do. I can go into interact object and say public void, no, public float interact sense. We probably will need to, if we want to do a more better animations, we will have to implement a docking into our interact object. We have like a docking positions, so our characters know how to approach the object to interact with it. Okay, this is, as always, you think, oh, it's just going to be fine, it's going to be easy. No problem. 2 days of work and game is done. And then you're like, oh god. Okay. So if float equals character vectors 3 dot distance between transform position say t, and we will say transform or T. Wait, I'll take T equals decoupling. That's fine. T position and interact with the transform for some reason. And go to definition. What? Public form T. Void awake T equals transform. Practice. What? Can I convert the transform to oh position. Okay, if float distance more than oh, we pretty much need to make it into a stack at this point. Yeah, I think we will have to make it into a stack of commands. Let's for now make it rough, and then we will make it into a stack of commands. Distance more than interact with that interact distance. Then we will say we need to cache the character. Wait. Oh my. Move character. Just move character. Soon I need to take a small break to stretch, because I'm getting a little sour. Distance more than interact with interact distance. More than interact with interact distance. So in that case, move character, set destination, interact with dot t dot position. Agent velocity magnitude. Character, okay. Fine. Okay. Else. And why? Python. The easiest one to use for applications. It's like, again, each language is strong in its own thing. Like, you cannot compare, for example, C++ to even C sharp, or C sharp to even Python, because each of them, you know, work in different niche. But if I had to select right now, if someone put a gun to my head and said, okay, you cannot be a game developer anymore, what kind of coding you will do, I would say Python. Python is the best choice in this case. Okay, move character. And in this case, if then I would say that. Okay, we need character interact. This will be let's see, meet character. Okay. I will open her thing over here. This is a better order of components. Character. Okay. We don't need this. We need to open. Eh? Did I mess it up? Oh, character interact. I'm blind. Character interact. Object interact with public void start interacting interact object interact with equals with. Okay, so in the interact object we want to set up the process of interacting, and it's pretty simple. Where is our control? We will be saying that interact object is public void interacting update. So here we will say simply that like it will take time to interact with this object, so we will say time to complete interaction, and float we will say current time. We're going to do something like serialized field float and say that this is going to take us 5 seconds to interact with this object to complete the interaction. So then we will say current time, and we will say current time plus equals time to complete interaction. Sorry, time that tilde time. Then character interact with, and if we're, and we can say in update public void update if interact with not equals null, interact with interacting update. Okay, so if we have something to interact with, we will be updating the interaction with this object, and this object will tick the time, progressing the interaction, and at some point when the time runs out, it means the character, you know, completes the interaction. So now we need to executed from here as a command. Character interact. Get component. Oh my god, I guess the music is pumping me up. This is why I'm explaining a lot of stuff. Interact this. Should recall like this, right? This is done. Start interacting. Interact. Okay, so we interact with. Okay, bull. Click. Control object. If interact complete. Oh, it's to be public, so we can recognize when we are done interacting. Interact complete. Equals false. We continue. Should I just say, yeah? Why am I even inventing? We will say here public enum interact status none, incomplete, complete, interrupt. So interact status, we serialize it so we can see it in the game. That will help us to debug if something goes wrong. Interact status. Hope Zuldram likes that I start narrating much more right now. If he's here, of course. He might be sleeping at this point, it's pretty late. Status. When we start interacting, we will say status is interact status incomplete. Interacting update. I can pretty much immediately say interact object should receive an character interact as a parameter because it's an interactor. So we say this and here public void complete interaction status will be complete. Wait, interact status dot complete. So we call this over here if current time more than time to complete interaction, that means that this interaction is complete, so we can say to interactor interaction complete interaction. We can reset the current time to 0 to reset the state of the interact object. And time to complete interaction. That's it. We don't need to do anything anymore. Here it's okay. Is okay. Maybe status should even be like public, because we will be like start interaction if interact status equals none. Sorry. Why are we even doing this? We should do can it be which here bam 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 missing cases. So if it's none, then we do that. So when it's incomplete, character interact, don't do anything. Or maybe we will be calling update from here later on. That's okay. In case it's wait. Yes, incomplete. Okay, it's okay. If it's complete, then we will say well, that's it. Pretty much it. We will just nullify the interact with. No. That's it. And we will say that the AI command is idle. Command is idle. AI command. Command is idle. Okay, AI command is idle. Anything else? So we're executing command, and this is specifically interact with command. Say extract method, interact with command, and we will be switch. Current command. Command. Can I just say back? Are the missing cases? Interact with command. That's quite quiet lately in the chat. Everyone is sleeping. while listening to my soothing voice complaining about coding. So if I okay, that should do it, I think. That's a rough estimation. Where's thing? Oh, I see. What are you playing right now? I don't need to do anything else. Okay. So what's good? What should happen when I launch the game? Our mate should move towards ping and interact with it, right? Going on with my camera. I place tables in a row. This. Okay. Let's test it. He's moving. He reached that thing. I forgot to set up the interact distance like 1.2. Okay. Okay, so she's reaching that thing. Okay. Okay. If interact distance more than set destination is the destination. Okay, I just need to tell her to stop. Agent. Set this. Set. Wait. The destination. Huh? Agent. Set. This destination. Transform position. Make her completely stop. And I want to animate her. In character interact, we will say when she is interacting with an object, we want to say to her that, hey girl, you're doing something with this object, and interact her, place the interact animation. So animate animate wait awake animate get component and children, get component in children, animate. Wait. And now, if interact with not equals null, we'll just say exactly this, like animate, set interact, is interact with not equals. That's it. Yeah, let's see. So, let's see. Put camera like this. Oh, camera over here. Camera like this. And see. So our girl is running. And she's interacting, but she's too far away. So, sorry, too close to the table. So we need to make like 0.5 interact distance. Running. Really like this cake. No, she doesn't. Why is she stuck? Okay, that's weird. That's very weird. Animate interact not equals null. Somehow the message isn't. Sorry, it's okay. It's okay. She realized that she should not eat that much cake. She has an allergy, just like me. Ah, okay. Yeah, actually, I seen on the graph of the YouTube studio, it dropped for a second, for a minute, like it was showing 0 concurrent viewers for like a minute or something like this. It's probably a YouTube moment. But why did my character not interacting? Where's interacting? Fine. Interact. Start interacting. Wait. Status incomplete. Update. Interact with. Not null. Synchron. Yeah. Transform. Wait, what? Wait. Ah, it's hide it. Inspector. Just weird. Let's is it idle? Okay. Actually move like this and see what's going to happen. Is running. Oh, wait. Run false. Run true. Interact true. Interact false. We haven't completed our animator controller tree. She's running. We have a problem. Our run animation is not looping because I forgot to say. Where the hell is animation? That animations. Run is loopable animation. Apply. And interact is loopable animation. And idle is loopable animation. All of them are loopable. Okay, let's go. So she is interacting with the table. Now after 5 seconds, I said after 5 seconds. I think we didn't deliver it on the 5 seconds. Start interacting. Interact complete. Okay, interact with complete. Start interacting. Go to definition. Complete interaction. Complete. Oh, let's say interact with equals no. She's running for that cake. She's doing something with that cake. And after 5 seconds, she's done and she's idling. Good. Good, 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 good. And now she wants to go and interact object with that table. This will take her so 15 seconds to interact, to eat that cake, or whatever. We will do something like this. Make it a little more. Okay, so stretches. This is so interaction. When interaction complete interaction, we complete. Yeah, we need to say interact with is just no. Then we can just say, do you have a follow-up? Complete. Okay, complete. Current state idle. Practice null. Okay, so right now we have one command, and we can only do one command only. So we want to make a stack of the commands, so we can like follow through multiple commands in the line. So for example, we have like one command is interact with one object, and the second command is interact with the second object. For that, we want to pack this into a class. Can you extract this into a class? Extract the base class. You know what? I will. Click. Oh man. Why am I making? Okay. Public command change signature. Now I can build a base. Generate constructor. Bam. That's it. And it has. So I would say that no. I would say. Can I say still no? No. For now. Let's say here. And I will just do this. I would say. Just this. And this will be vector 3 0. Okay. Now we have an command class. And we will say list of commands. Commands. Now everything is broken. It's okay. We can remake it. We will say okay. Interact is target. And then we will say serialize field, interact object, test, target 2. So we want to interact with first object and then run and interact with the second object. So we have two different interactions, one after another. So how can we do that? We have a set command over here. We're running the commands one at a time. A queue would be better instead of a list. Oh, I know what you... Okay. Wait, can you extract from a queue? I don't... Let's work with a list. I can do an queue later on. The reason why I'm not sure, because I don't remember. Can you edit the queue in, like, for example, you have 10 commands. Can you say, okay, the third command, I don't need to do it anymore, just get rid of it? If you can do it with list, but I'm not sure about queue. Let's actually just say C#. Let's see what MSDN think about it. MSDN. Not mustn't. Q class. With examples. Where you can DQ and pick. NQ. Clear. Okay, clear contains, copy DQ, remove and return the object at the beginning of the queue. Okay. Add an object to the end of the queue. Return the object at the beginning without removing. What I'm seeing right now, I think that will not work for me. Because imagine if you have... Yeah, I found the MSDN. In MSDN link to the queue. But what I'm looking at... Like... I don't see... Return the object at the beginning. You see, you have a queue, a DQ. Remove and return object at the beginning. Like, you cannot insert, right? Okay, let's go good old Google. Can you insert into your C#? Insert them into... Okay, insert. Use queue collection. I can use NQ or DQ. Okay. A queue by definition something to which you can only EQ and DQ things. If you want to insert in the middles and you want full-fledged list, then yes, I'm sorry, I don't think the queue will work for me. Because look, if you can say to me that, hey, you can do that with insertion, but in that case, like, if you cannot, I don't think that's what I want. Because look, imagine if you have, okay, you know what? I have a good old paint net, right? So okay, you have a queue. Okay. Now we want to say here. So you have three commands, right? The command 0, 1, and 2. When you complete the command 0, it gets, removed from the queue. Okay. But this command creates two instances of a commands. That right? Happening. What? Oh my god, it's like here is command 3 and command 3 and 4, and I want those two commands to be executed right after the 0, because 0 produces two commands. So I want to put them over here before 1 and 2. Imagine if, like, okay, this 0 is fine, it's complete, but like the 1 completes and it creates two more commands which need to be executed before the 2, right? So you probably want to insert them over here. You see what I mean? Yeah. Like, yeah, I understand if you have much more simpler RTS game where it's like you just command units to do something very simply, like, oh, you move here, maybe you have a queue of actions you add first. Yeah, but again, you add first. Okay, okay, you add first, you can do that. Have to add elements to the queue. You can do that. Do documentation. Kind of looks like you want linked list, which allow you to do things. Well, linked list says you can do that. Yeah, but it isn't add first is for linked list. Like I'm like looking at this. Do we have like to the top of the list? Yeah, I'm sorry. Why are you saying you sorry? It's good that we're discussing things. You might be right. I'm looking at this right now, and it's okay. We're making a game. No. You don't mess it up. You didn't mess them up. I didn't thought maybe we should use a queue. You told me about them, and I look it up, and we conclude, yeah, maybe not. Again, I will look about this more later, but it's okay that we're discussing things. Having discussion in game development is important between your members. Ask my mod about having discussion between members of the team. He have horror stories about this. If he is here, if he wants to elaborate, he can go on, but Jesus, his team is having a serious problem with discussion. Oh, you mix them. Okay, mix them. Whatever. The important part, okay, we checked it, but like, fine. Command. New command. Equals new command. And command. Command. Interact with. Okay, I'm a little tired of front mission. Let's switch this OST a little. Okay. Okay. Now. Parameter. This done. Will we just... That's it? Let's see. Our camera. We didn't make the... I got them. Wait. Did I... Wait. Haven't... Wait. Haven't... No? Okay. Window. Sketch manager. Camera. Cine machine. Oh. Another push. Not switch off the reset code. Whatever. Let's not do it right now. I don't want to. Let's say here. We just move the table to the side. We can see her moving to that floor like this. We make it like work. Here. Here is the table for you to sit and eat. Interact distance will be this like 0.1.2. Game. So here is a girl, she pick up the cake and go to that table and interact with that table. Okay. Let's make it a little. Let's more. Okay. Got it. It skips moving. Oh. Start the command test target and we need to. Oh, I created a command but haven't added into the commands list. Command. If commands equal null command with new link commands add new command. Let's rename this into command type. Okay, let's see. Happen now. Okay, she's running towards this table. She's doing great. She's interacting with this table. 5 seconds. She's stuck. That cake is too heavy for her. Complete current command. It's done. Interact with. Don't need to do this anymore because it's part of the command. Okay, let's see what did I messed up. Interact. Did I not set the target correctly? Made correct. Yes, I did not set up the target. So it will be a receiver. Let's test it now. He runs it to the table. He pick up the cake, which actually not going to get picked up. She's still stuck. Okay, I wonder why. Let's see. So I add the command. Oh, this is why you don't do test target. Test target too. Okay, attempt number 4 or something. Now it's going to happen. Runs towards the table. Interact with the table. You run towards the second table. She walks into the table and nothing happens. Interact distance 1.2. It's okay. Fine. Producer. Let's make it so the interact range is 2. I think it will be better. Then let's see. Object. Serialize field. Game object. On. Game object set FGO that active in hierarchy. Inverse. Okay, let's see what's wrong with our target. Interact with this target too. We create command type. Okay. It character interact status interact. Interact cross. It complete interaction. Okay. Complete command. Interact. Complete. selected. Definition. Good old debugging. Status. Status equals interact status none. I accept. Okay. Let's try it again. Attempt number 5 million or something. Okay. Game. Full HD. Maximize. Let's see it. Fingers crossed. She runs towards the table. Wait, I think I messed something up. No. Yes. Temp number. Whatever. Runs towards the table. We interact with the table. She picks up the cake. She interacts with the second table. Now we need to wait for 15 seconds. Any hour now. And then cake is on this table. Yeah! Oh my god. That works. Oh, okay. So with this done, you know, that was a good 3-hour stream. I think we should take a small break until the next stream. So, oh my god, thank you everyone for showing up. I am shocked how many people actually showed up and actually been there. Thank you very much. You cannot imagine how impressive it is. Let's play it again, but not 15 seconds to interact. So, he runs towards the table. Interact with the table. Pick up one. And place it on the other table. Yay. So, I think I will just set up what we will be doing in next time. I think we will be expanding on this interaction system, so we're actually going to be inputting those commands. Right now they're just testingly feed it into the character. You see, it automatically happens. In next stream, I hope to start actually controlling the character and telling her where to go and what to do. So for now, we will take a break. I don't know when we will stream next time. Most people say I should stream on weekends, and I know from experience that if I stream on normal days, not a lot of people shows up. Like, we're talking, barely anyone shows up. So we will see when I will be streaming next time. But with this, I will just say thank you very much for everyone showing up. Thank you very, very much for watching, and see you later.